Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Forest River Wildwood. It's the X-Lite series, extra light. It's a 254 RL, meaning a rear living with slide out. 2018 is their clearance priced here at Gibbs RV. I'm going to show you what makes this trailer such a value in today's market. Power hitch jack for starters, diamond shield that's not unique, but T6 aluminum like aircraft aluminum. You don't have to worry about delamination, and the graphics are solar resistant, so you don't have to worry about peeling. Speaking of solar, solar ready. Plug and play and you're ready to go off grid. Locking storage compartments. And here's a bonus. The 18s came with power jacks. You don't get that on the 19s. We have double door entry, the radial entry doors, power awning with the LED light rope backing it. We got chrome wheels, black tank flush, solid step entry steps. Those things are really, just like the name implies, solid. And there's the model 254 RL. Backside here we've got the fold down rack, so you can bring the bikes or the mini bike or even the raft, golf clubs, that kind of thing, with the spare tire. Lots of big windows, lots of big windows. Let's look at the slide outside again real quick, because I can't squeeze my body through there. Here you can see on our slide it is a full extension. What I mean by that, it comes out 32 inches instead of the little 18 inches or 12-inch slides. Gives you more room. Outside shower, of course, our hookups here, as well as our valves for the tanks. Let's take a look at the interior and see how these windows really set this thing off. I mean, if you're in a campsite, you can really soak up that campsite view. So here we got a couple recliners in the back. Big window back here with the cabinets overhead. The slide out, you can see how big it is, really, for comparison's sake, once you're inside here. Big windows, sofa bed, dinette, which converts into a bed as well. Storage underneath. Your TV can go right here. Boom. Hookups. You even have a USB right there, as well as a Bluetooth AM/FM player below. The kitchen, let's kind of break this down. They have a solid surface style countertop. It's not marble, but it's lighter weight, so you don't have to worry about dropping them and breaking them. Dual basin sink, gooseneck fountain. We have some glass paneled cabinets overhead for the pantry storage. Glass top on our Suburban oven with the stainless steel in the front. We also have the stainless on our, up here, microwave and the hood. And brushed aluminum or stainless, I'm not sure, refrigerator freezer combination, as well as additional pantry storage here and here. Hidden hinges like the Wildcats have. Let's go in the bathroom here. We have our sink, vanity mirror, the Neo style shower. It's got the magnetic doors. We got a skylight overhead, and here is the our toilet. And something you don't find in trailers these days too often is a linen storage. The bedroom, excuse me, I'm controlling this new camera here. We got a queen size bed with wardrobes on both sides. We have USB chargers on the side, this side, and we have just regular plug-in over here. Of course, our own entry exit door, and a spot for another TV if you like. It's on closeout pricing. It's at Gibbs RV, this Wildwood 254 RL. You can see it at 1845 Ocean Boulevard in Coos Bay, or give us a call at 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.